Welcome to another English challenge where I test your English vocabulary. So, that was the challenge. What is this called when you take a key and you scratch? Can't even see it. I was trying to scratch my van. Can't even notice it. You can find, you can scratch this maple leaf. Or would that be unpatriotic? Right, a maple leaf is like a symbol of Canada, so maybe if I scratch the maple leaf, that would be unpatriotic of me. Unpatriotic means you kind of, you're not protecting the dignity of your country, right? If you're a good patriot, actually there's a movie called The Patriot with Mel Gibson. It's a good movie. If you're a good patriot, then you're patriotic, right? If you are patriotic, you do things to celebrate your country. You know, a lot of Canadians wear, like, I mean, apparel, right? Apparel means clothing, right? So they might wear like a Canada hat like me, or a Canada shirt, or just, you know, Canada stuff, and they talk good about their country, right? I'm a proud Canadian. They just, I don't know, celebrate Canada Day or do that kind of stuff, right? So the Canadian flag, this isn't the flag, this is a maple leaf, right? Maple leaf is a symbol of Canada. So if I scratch it, like, let's say I were to take my key and like scratch it like that, then that would be unpatriotic, maybe. So I better not do that. I won't scratch it. But I mean, I'm just saying, if someone, hypothetically, if someone were to take a key and like just scratch, like really like damage the maple leaf or something, it might be interpreted by a few people as unpatriotic. So I won't be unpatriotic and scratch it, but I just wanted to give you an example. So what's the English challenge? Do you have your answer? What is it called when you take a key and you know, usually on like nice vehicles, people are worried about that because sometimes people do that. I don't know why people do this. I've never done it. It's a stupid thing, and it's a crime, right? Any damaging physical property is a crime, right? Like, if, you know, there's a nice house there, right? If I were to go and like kick that door, that garage doors, I guess, look at those are nice big garage doors, right? If I were to go and kick the door and damage it, well, that's a crime. I'm damaging their building, right? The same way, if you take a key or keys and you like scratch someone's nice car, that's a crime. I don't know, I think there's not a specific name for that kind of a crime. It would just be vandalism. I don't know, if you vandalize something, it means you damage it, but you're basically just damaging people's property, which I guess it would be vandalism. I mean, if you called the police, if you saw someone doing that, you know, what would you say to the police? Would you say someone is taking their key and scratching someone's vehicle? There's a specific word for it in English, okay? So what is that? That's your challenge, that's your test today. I'll give you guys 5 seconds. It's called keying a vehicle, keying a car. So it's actually, the word is just key, to key a vehicle. But it's a verb, right? You know, the word key is a noun normally, right? Either when it's like this is a key, right? But a key can also mean like the secret to something. Like if I give you 5 keys to success, I'm not talking about 5 keys like this. I'm talking about 5 like principles to success, or 5 secrets, 5 methods, right? So that's what another word what key means. But when key is a verb, to key a car, okay? To key a car means you take a key and you scratch the car. That's what it means, to key a vehicle. So guys, that's your English challenge for today. Let me know, did you know it? Or did you get it wrong? Let me know honestly down in the comments. You know, sometimes things in English they're advanced. Like, this is a very advanced thing. I mean, most English learners would not know this. Your English has to be very advanced to know this, but it's actually so simple, right? So sometimes the most advanced words or ways to say things in English are actually very simple. It's just to key it, right? It couldn't get easier than that. It's very simple. The thing is that just to know that is advanced, right? Because you might be thinking about the verb scratch, right? If you're calling the police, let's say, you'd say, you know, I can see someone taking their keys and scratching a vehicle. I see someone scratching a vehicle with their keys. Come and arrest them. But you could, if you want to use more advanced English, you could say, I see someone keying a vehicle outside my house. Come and get him. Lock him up, put him behind bars, right? So that's what it means to damage a vehicle in that way. You key it. Keying a vehicle. Well, guys, there's your tip. Just wanted to give you guys a quick tip. Quick advanced English challenge quiz, or whatever you want to call it. Sometimes I haven't made an English challenge video like this for a while, so I thought I'd make I just thought about it this morning. I thought, yeah, you know what, that's a good one, because a lot of people won't know that, and it's something that's so you'll almost never use it, right? The reason it's so advanced is because, like, when would you ever use that? I mean, it's a very rare thing to see someone doing that. I've never seen anybody doing that. In fact, in my whole life, I've never seen that. But it's part of the English language because it does happen, and I have used that in my speech before, but just to talk about maybe things like the word hypothetical means kind of like an imagination world, right? So, like, yeah, if I've been talking to my friends or something, or maybe my friends have mentioned something about keying a vehicle, or maybe their car got keyed. I don't think I've ever met anybody whose car got keyed. Let me know, has your car ever been keyed? But yeah, it's something like, it's such a rare situation. That's why it's so advanced. These situations that you don't come across, right? I mean, if you come across normal situations, let's say like it looks like it's garbage day here, so people have their garbage bins on the street, right? So English around garbage cans would be much more common and much more useful, right? That's the kind of English you should start with. You know, how to take out a garbage bin, right? You wait for the garbage man or the garbage collector, the truck, to come by and take your garbage, dump your garbage into the truck. And you know, so that kind of vocabulary is really useful. But here on my channel, I like to teach you things sometimes that you will not learn anywhere else. So a lot of my learners, actually, a lot of my subscribers are really advanced speakers, but even they learn some things on my channel. So I'm very proud of that. That Mad English TV is the place to be if you want to take your English to the next level. So guys, with that, I'll sign off from here in cloudy Calgary, Alberta. Now, again, I've taught this word a million times on my channel, but what would you call a day like this? Would you describe it as cloudy, or would you describe it as overcast? It would be better to describe it as overcast. If you're taking an exam like the IELTS or the CELPIP exam or something, and there's a picture with clouds in the sky, you could say there are clouds in the sky, or it's a cloudy day. That would be a low-level answer. It would be a high-level answer if you say it's an overcast day. Now, it's not completely overcast. You can see there's, you know, blue sky there, but generally speaking, I mean, you look all the way over there, it's cloudy, there's a little patch of blue there, but mostly it's cloudy. So you could describe today as an overcast day. So guys, I'll sign off from here in overcast Calgary. Wish you all the best. Stay safe, stay happy and healthy, and I'll see you guys over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.